So Xiaomi introduced a number of new products in China, among which was the Redmi K50 Ultra smartphone. Externally, the novelty is very similar to the previously released Xiaomi 12 and 12S models. In this video, we are gonna show you the full details, prices and release date of smartphones. Please watch the full video content. The device is equipped with a 6.7 inches OLED display with 12-bit color support from TCL, CSOT and Tianma. It supports a resolution of 2712 by 1220 pixels, a refresh rate of 120 Hz, a density of 446 ppi. The display indicates support for the DCI P3 color range, as well as Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and adapter HDR technologies. The device is based on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor with 8 cores clocked at 3.2 GHz. Buyers will be able to choose between modifications with 8 and 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. The capacity of the UFS 3.1 standard flash drive in the first case will be 128 and 256 GB. In the second, 256 and 512 GB. The evaporation chamber is declared as part of the cooling system of the device. The smartphone runs on Android 12 with MIUI 13 skin. The main camera unit of the Redmi K50 Ultra consists of 3 modules. The main one uses a 108-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL HM6 sensor with an optical stabilization system. It is assigned by an 8-megapixel wide-angle camera as well as a 2-megapixel macro sensor. On the front side of the smartphone is a 20-megapixel front selfie camera sensor. The novelty supports the installation of 2 SIM cards, works with the 5G and Wi-Fi 6 wireless standards, and has support for a dual-band satellite navigation system and NFC. It is also claims protection against dust and moisture according to the IP53 standard, and the presence of stereo speakers with support for Dolby Atmos sound. The device is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. The device claims support for 120-watt fast wide charging. On sale, the device will be offered in black, blue and silver colors. Let's talk about Redmi K50 Ultra smartphone prices. 8GB plus 128GB version only for $445. 8GB plus 256GB version only for $490. 12GB plus 256GB version only for $534, and 12GB plus 512GB of version only for $593. A special Champion Edition will also be available for $623 with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of ROM. Its peculiarity lies in the design in the colors of the Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula 1 team. Pre-orders for the Redmi K50 Ultra smartphone are already being accepted, and sales will start on August 16th. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.